We're on the road, but there are no air shows because everything's been cancelled. Well, we're off to Segovia. It's about 500, 600 kilometers. We're going to be going and coming back in the same day. Well, why? Last week I handed over my trusty trailer, the one that you've probably all seen me with, the one that I've taken to the Czech Republic, to Poland, Germany, all over Europe, and of course everywhere here in Spain. It's time for a change. Before lockdown I ordered a new one, and today it's finally ready and we're going to go pick it up. It's bigger, it's better, it's painted, and I can't wait to get there. So let's get this road done, let's get there, let's have a look at this new trailer. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Moment of truth. Let's open the door, reveal the trailer. And here we have it, the brand new trailer, and it couldn't be any other way. The last one was a De Pablo's. It worked great for over a decade, had to be the same again, just bigger and better. It looks great. I can't wait to start travelling around, get some flying done with it. Time to get it home, make some minor tweaks of my own. First test run. "12 hours, but we're home." Trailer day number 2. We already got it home, however we can't use it yet. It's currently completely empty. There's no way to secure any models inside of it. However, before we start working on that, I've seen that there are a few wires inside which are for the brake lights and so on, which I don't like them running through the inside of the trailer. So we're going to move those and hide them underneath, and then we're going to get back to how to secure the models. There we have it, trailer wireless pretty much. Now it's off to Elda, about an hour's drive away, to see my good friend David, who's going to be putting in the wire mesh underneath, onto which we're going to be able to hook all the airplanes and accessories so nothing moves while in transit. Let's get going. Vale. And the final step of turning this trailer into an aircraft carrier is actually putting in the sidebars onto which all our models are going to be tied down. So we have some angle bracket and the scary moment of drilling into the side of the trailer to secure everything. Measure twice, drill once, hopefully. And that is our brand new aircraft carrier for 2020 and beyond. Now it's time to go start having some fun with it. So let's fill it with airplanes and go fly. But that'll be for another video. So until then, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, maybe even got some ideas on how to secure models in your car or trailer. Or if you have any better ideas than these, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about them. So until that next video, thanks for watching and I'll see you all in the next one.